If Nigeria attack Niger Republic, remember that you have a brother also in Biafra land, Simon Ekpa. My people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first day you are coming across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead now, subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow this page. Simon Ekpa have to go to his Twitter handle also and say that he said that any Nigeria military force in Niger Republic, he sent a strong message to the president of Mali, Niger Republic, and Burkina Faso that they are with them, that the Biafra government in exile will back them up also from Biafra land. I'm going to play the video for you to watch and see what Simon Ekpa said. Then after watching the video, we'll come and analyze it. Stay tuned and watch.
Good morning, fellow Biafrans. Good morning, Africa. Good morning, West Africa. This is the 7th day of August 2023, and I have come this morning on the request of the Biafra people. I want to start by encouraging the new Mali president, Colonel Assemini Goita. I want to also encourage the new Burkina Faso president, Ibrahim Traore. And finally, I want to encourage the new Niger Republic President, General Omar Chiani. I want them to understand that the wave of freedom that is now in Africa, especially in West Africa, must continue. We want to let them know this morning that Biafrans are standing very strong behind them. We are fighting the same freedom, both economic freedom and the complete freedom of our people. And I want them to understand, should in case Nigeria lead a military invasion of Niger Republic, they should understand that they have brothers and sisters and alliance in Biafra land. I want them to understand that we are going to stand shoulder to shoulder to fight against Nigeria for our own freedom. So if they are worrying about Nigeria invading and attacking Niger Republic and how they are going to do it, engage them from the north, it is going to be more easier. While they engage Nigeria in the north, we the Biafra people are going to engage Nigeria from the eastern region. I just want this particular message to get to this powerful and the very rugged revolutionary leaders of the Pan-Africa present days. I want them to understand that Biafra people, over 70 million Biafrans, are standing shoulder to shoulder to any nation, to any ethnic group, to any ethnic nationality within Africa who want to free themselves from oppression and modern slavery. The new colonialism that we are fighting today must end. So I want them to understand that we are standing very strongly behind them. Countries like Finland have not colonized anybody. They are doing quite fine. We have seen many atrocities being committed in our land, in Biafra land, for example, where the Nigeria oil is being exploited from. People die every day. They don't care about us. It is time we put it an end. And that's what Biafra is fighting for. So, my fellow brothers and sisters from the other part of the West Africa who have risen up to fight for their own freedom and to liberate themselves from these demonic sucking and blood-sucking demons. I want you to understand that Biafra, for the Biafra's sake, for the freedom of Biafra's sake, we will stand shoulder to shoulder with you if Nigeria attack your nation. Niger Republic, if Nigeria attack you, Biafra people will stand shoulder to shoulder with you to fight against Nigeria. That declaration is being made as demanded by the Biafra people today. Thank you. May God bless you.
Welcome back. As you have watched the video from the Horses Smart, direct coming from the Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa, Biafra government in exile. So guys, I want us to talk about this video and what do you think? Is he making a great move or this video needs to be corrected as well? So I want you to leave a comment below and don't forget to follow this page. See you in next episode of Today Breaking News.